starting with the one and only Denise Austin at 65 years young. She just walked the Sports Illustrated runway in a bikini, making her the oldest woman to do so.
I am in awe of this woman. She is absolutely my hero. She looks fantastic. And Lisa Breckenridge recently caught up with this fitness icon to share some easy ways that everyone, especially women over 50, can live their fittest life possible.
So I am so excited to share with you Denise Austin, who, I don't know, like, do I refer to you as fitness icon, a firecracker, fitness guru, like legendary woman in this business?
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. It's been a great, fulfilling career. And I'm still going.
You're still going. Okay, so before we get to her tips and tricks for all of us women over 50 to stay fit, we're going to do that. I have to congratulate you. 65 years old, strutting down the Sports Illustrated runway with your daughter. Tell me what
in a bikini.
In a bikini. What was that like?
It was the best moment. Oh my gosh, it was so thrilling to be asked. I was honored to be asked. And then to walk hand in hand with my daughter, it almost brings tears to me right now. But it was so meaningful, and the bond and just the feeling of exhilaration with your daughter was a great moment.
It was a once-in-a-lifetime thing, right?
Yes, mother-daughter, and it was special.
First time ever that was done.
Yes, first mother-daughter to walk the runway at the Sports Illustrated swimsuit in Miami.
So you also have an empire around you. I love this magazine, Fit Over 50, Denise Austin's. And in here, you share food items.
Yes, all kinds of recipes, ways to, fight that menopause belly of ours. Everything for women over 50, for food, for fitness, for stretching, just to remember to take good care of yourself, because now's the time in these years.
Because we hear from women so much, it's hard to lose the extra weight, or you get a little thicker around here. So Denise has some exercises.
3 easy ab exercises to trim your tummy, to really work on the waistline, and you don't have to get down and do a crunch. It's all standing up, so it's easy on the neck. Okay, the first exercise is pull your abs up and in and lift the knee towards you. Be good posture, and then we're gonna do a slight crunch. Really feel your abs, belly button in. Do this for 1 minute. Now, let's work the waistline. Twist. That's it. Good, Lisa?
And you're really sucking it in to the belly button, right?
Yes, engage your abs. Your core muscles are so important to stay fit. Now the third one works the size of the waistline. Cinch in that waistline. So in and over. Really pull it in.
Am I doing it, Denise?
Perfect. I love it.
Okay.
Trim and slim that waistline. You can do it in the privacy of your own home.
I wanted to see what you eat in a day, too. Also, how many videos, books, shows?
Oh, gosh.
Have you lost track?
I was on television for 24 years, doing fitness every morning, getting fit with Denise Austin, and then I sold, you won't believe it, 25 million exercise VHS and DVDs, and I think I might hold the record because no one will make those anymore.
So that's your record, and you'll just take it.
Yes, and now I do online.
Yeah,
everything
all online.
I bought my shows, and I have new shows and workouts for every woman over 50.
Denise Austin.
Okay, now my go-to breakfast.
First of all, before I start the breakfast, the Brazil nuts, why are these so good for you?
These are so good for you. Brazil nuts really give you energy, great protein. As we age, we need a little more protein, but these have great vitamins and nutrients.
And 3 a day?
3 a day I take Brazilian nuts. Also, I love a good smoothie in the morning, or a late afternoon when you need a little pick-me-up.
So strawberries?
Berries, any kind of berries I have. I love spinach, great greens. And to add extra protein, I do a little bit of almond butter.
Almond butter is the best,
butter. And then any kind of, milk you like.
Do you like plant-based milk?
I do. I like either almond milk, but lately I've been doing coconut milk. Then I add avocado, great for our hair, great for our skin.
The good fats,
yes,
right?
Good fat, omega-3s. And then just mix it all up, and you've got a great smoothie. Okay. And it's so good for you, too.
Truth be told, she made one for us before we got here, and her husband drank it without knowing that it was for us.
He must have enjoyed it.
Yeah, he loves it.
Okay, Lisa, there's your little one.
Okay.
And you don't drink the whole thing. I just kind of have a little bit every day, because then I've got my fruits, my veggies, I got my little nut butter, and it's good.
Cheers to more years, 40 years already. Here's to another 40 years of like telling us how to live our lives the best way possible.
And feel good about yourself, girls. You can do it.